Hi everyone, I am Mukesh Singh, and in this video we are going to deploy an ASP.NET website with EF core and database into Azure App Service. And in this video we are going to create a database in Azure SQL and one app service we are going to where we are going to deploy the application. So let's get started. So now we are going to create an SQL server, Azure SQL Server in as a first step. So as you can see already, I'm logged in into Azure portal, and here over search bar, if I go and search for Azure SQL, so I'll get this. I'll click on create. So here SQL database and single database I'm selecting. So create. I'll select the resource group and here the database name. So database name I'm just giving test DB, and the server is still not created, so I'll create new. So maybe I'll give Mukesh T as we have to give it globally unique, so it is available, and use SQL authentication. So I'll give admin user and password as a secure one which fulfills all the requirement. Okay, and okay, yeah. So here we have to select this size. So here we have multiple. So I'm taking the basic one because it's just for the demo. So I'll apply and review and create and hit create. And it is going to take a few minutes to provision this. I'll be back once it is provisioned and created. Now as you can see, it is deployed. So we will go and click on go to resource. So here the database is created and this is the server. So I'll click. So one thing we have to do it so that we can access it with our local machine SSMS. So this is we have to whitelist our IP from which we can connect to this database. So we'll go to this security networking, and so public access is right now disabled. So we'll enable it to selected network, and here I'll add my own IP, and I'll allow Azure Service Resources to access this server. So yeah, it is successfully updated. Yeah. So as a next step, we are going to configure this connection string to our project which we are going to deploy. So for this video, we are going to deploy this Contoso University project, which it's a sample from Microsoft for ASP.NET and with EF entity framework. So I had chosen this. I'll put the link of the GitHub in the description so that if you want to check it out, you can do it. It's a very simple implementation. And for this, I had pasted the connection string here. And so now, as a first step from here, we have to deploy uh, the database migration. So we have an empty database. We have to create tables and everything based on what models we have it here, like department and enrollment course as a student. So for that, we'll go and open this package manager console, and here we need to run this update database command to apply all the migrations what we have. So it will take a while to run, and it will deploy all the database changes. As you can see, the database migration is deployed. So now we'll go ahead and deploy this application to Azure App Service. And this time what we are going to do is we are going to create the app service from Visual Studio itself. So Solution Explorer, select the project and publish. So here we'll click on create new profile, Azure, where we want to deploy, and Azure App Service for Windows. So here already I have logged in. So subscription name is selected. Create a new instance, and it will auto populate most of the things, and we'll let everything be as is. Here the name is given. So we are just letting it be as is, and I'll hit create. It will take a few minutes to create it. So it is created. So I'll click on next and finish. It is creating the deployment profile. So it is created and close. So now we have, so what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and click on this publish. So it will build and publish. So I'll pause the video, pause the recording, and I'll be back once it is deployed completely. So, so now, as you can see, it is successfully deployed. So here the URL is given. So we'll go to the browser and paste the URL. So now this application is deployed over this, and here you can go and see students, and here I can create the new one. I'll fill Mukesh thing, create. It's created. We can search it here. And search. So finally, we are like able to deploy a full ASP.NET website with the entity framework and the database. So thanks everyone. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.